Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to create a magic circle. We're going to start by making the ring to work our single crochets into. So we're going to have our 4 fingers flat out like this, thumb off to the side. So now we've done that, we can just use our thumb to hold this string in place. Now we're going to flip our hand over and we're going to wrap the yarn around these 2 fingers. Like that. And now we're going to flip our hand and we're going to create an X like that. See that X? Now we're going to flip our hand over again and we're going to put the yarn in between this finger and your middle finger. Like that. This is how it should look. So you might want to put the yarn in between your pinky and your ring finger just for extra security. Now we're going to pull our middle finger and pointer finger away from each other to create some tension, like that. So now we're going to get a crochet hook and we're going to, with the hooked bit facing to the floor. So we're now going to go under the first one, we're going to go forward and hook the back piece of yarn, like that. Now we're going to pull the second one through like that, and we're going to twist the hook. So that and twist. Once you've done that, we're just going to chain 1. So we're going to use this here and pull it through that loop, like that. So if I went too quickly just then, rewind the video and watch it again or slow it down. Now we're going to pinch that chain that we made and we're going to take the ring off our fingers. So now we're going to get our tension. If you don't know how to do a tension, I have done another video on that. So we're going to just hold that in place with our fingers. Now into that ring we're going to do 1 single crochet. So we're going to go into that ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and then pull through 2. I'm going to do another single crochet into that ring. So I'm going to do 6 single crochet into that ring. 6 is a very common number to start with in a magic ring. So I'm just going to do 6 for you now. And once you know how to do a magic ring, you can make amazing plushies and adorable projects. You can literally make everything. So we're going to just go into that ring, keep making single crochets until you have 6. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just count the V's. Okay, so now we've done that. Your ring should be looking a bit like this. Okay, so now we've done the single crochets into the ring, we're going to get the small tail end here, the short one, and we're going to pull it. That has now made a ring with single crochets in it. And then, so when you just start working in rounds, just normally as you do with rounds like this one, it's just as going in a straight line, except for you're going in a circle. So I'm just going to go into that first stitch there and do a single crochet. And all you do is just go round and round in circles. That's why there are things called stitch markers that you can use to keep your place and know what you're doing and where you're going, because if you're making a big plushie or something and you're going round and round in a ring, you can really easily lose your place. So yeah, that's how you do a magic ring. You could just replay the video and just go through it a bit more slowly and rewatch it. It's quite hard to get the hang of a magic circle, but it takes a couple of tries, but once you learn how to do it, you can literally make everything in crochet. So if I were you, just keep on going, keep persevering, and you've got this. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you watching my other videos. Bye!